Today's tutorial, how to convert a PDF to a bitmap in C#. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to convert a PDF into bitmap images using C# and IronPDF. First things first, make sure that you've installed the IronPDF NuGet package and added your license key in your project to unlock full functionality. We'll start by creating a PDF document. Using the Chrome PDF renderer, we can render HTML content directly into a PDF. Here, we render a simple HTML string with a heading. This generates a PDF document in memory that we can work with. Next, we convert the entire PDF into bitmap images using the toBitmap method, and this returns a collection of images, one for each page. Each item in this collection represents a single page of the PDF as a bitmap image, which we can then process or save. So now we loop through each bitmap using a for each loop, and this allows us to handle every page individually. Inside the loop, we increment a counter to give each file a unique name, ensuring that no images are overwritten. We then use the save as method to save each page as a BMP file, and the files are named sequentially like output 1, output 2, and so on. So let's go ahead and run the application and wait for the bitmaps to be generated. All right, and there you go. Each page of the PDF is saved as a bitmap image in your output directory. So this approach is useful when you need to extract visual representations of PDF pages for image processing, previews, or archiving. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to convert PDFs into bitmap images in C# using IronPDF. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and go to our website, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out.